you think it'll fit?
I hope. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome.
Get out of here.
It's so nice. What are these screws?
No problem, man.
This one's harder than the other one. I'm going to do that other one. Because I can't see that one, but that's the other one.
Yeah.
I can see it.
Wow, that went on nice.
Yep. Smooth it. Okay, one sec. I gotta get under there. Like that?
There it is, right there. So that's 40 foot-pounds, right?
Okay.
For the caliper mounting bolt.
Is that gonna fit?
Well, you can hopefully find some way. And what happened this morning?
Well, this morning we had a problem where, I guess it is on this one too. This is where the disc goes in, and this part was over around like here on the other one. But we figured out this morning that over here, the metal part, it moves in. Like I can do it with this one too.
And I'll say not we, you.
Yeah, because I was just fidgeting around with it. We figured it out. It was good.
Okay, so now you're pushing this piston in, eh?
Yeah, and I'm going to need a second hand.
Isn't it great, though? Like, we've got it totally figured out how to do it. We spent, I'd say, at least an hour.
Oh, we might want to...
Maybe 2 hours.
We might want to re-put some of that grease on there.
Okay, well, I'll shut the video off.
Seems a little... It's like getting stuck a little.
We can do it.
Second. Wait.
Okay, so now what is it now? It's almost 7 o'clock on the wall there. And we went to Canadian Tire. Turns out with the Subaru, you need a special tool. And they don't sell any of these things at Canadian Tire, but they rent them. So I picked that up. We had supper. And now Ty's
Trying his best.
making it look really smooth.
Totally.
Anyway, we're going to stay at it and might get this done today.
I don't think so. I'm not very hopeful.
It's amazing how something so simple can completely...
Oh my god, just come out, yeah. That works. Awesome.
Looks good now. There you go. That's how you do it. Hey? That's how you do it.
No, thank you for jinxing it. It's going to stop working. Oh? Which way? I don't want to mess this up.
I don't know. Well, you're doing it.
Okay, wait, should I go lefty? No, that's Lucy.
Well, look at it
Righty.
and think about it.
Righty, so it's this way.
I think you got it. It's working. Wow. How long did that take to figure out?
Well, for the video, let's say like 20 seconds.
Freaking thing fell out. That's okay. It pushed it in a lot. Okay, we'll keep at it.
I figured like 2 of your chords that you played in this song.
Yeah.
You played G, but you were just doing these. Like you were just doing this.
Yeah.
So like with the G, all you're doing here, you're just doing this one. So it's like, okay, just do that.
You'll have to send me that song.
Instead of the G.
Yeah, for sure, eh?
What song?
The one you played for me today?
What one? What?
The one that Buddy was finger picking?
Oh yeah, that one's great.
Yeah.
King Cruel.
Yeah, then I can get it back to you, eh?
Yeah. I'll find it. Are you still recording?
I'm recording you.
Okay.